Introducing the 2024 upgraded Pro Bluetooth Transmitter Receiver, a versatile 2-in-1 adapter perfect for all your wireless audio needs. This Bluetooth 5.4 device seamlessly connects to your flight entertainment system, TV, PC, gym equipment, or Nintendo Switch, allowing you to use 2 AirPods or headphones simultaneously. It also functions as a Bluetooth receiver for your car or home stereo, ensuring high-quality sound wherever you go. Stay connected and enjoy your favorite audio with ease. Introducing the 2024 upgraded Flying Orb Ball in dazzling blue. This magical hover spinner features mesmerizing lights and offers endless fun with its cool boomerang effect. Perfect for kids aged 6 to 10, this floating cosmic globe is an exciting outdoor toy that will keep them entertained for hours. Whether it's a backyard adventure or a fun game with friends, this Flying Orb Ball is the ultimate gift for boys and girls who love to play and explore. Introducing CHEMION LED Glasses, the ultimate party accessory for adults. These customizable Bluetooth LED glasses let you display your own messages and designs, making them perfect for Christmas, Halloween, birthday parties, and more. The 2024 version offers vibrant colors and an easy-to-use app for endless creative possibilities. Stand out at any event and express yourself in a fun and flashy way with these cutting-edge LED glasses. Introducing the Phomemo D30 Mini Thermal Label Printer, your portable sticker-making solution for home, small businesses, and organizing work. This Bluetooth-enabled, inkless label maker is perfect for creating labels for various needs, with support for 0.23, 0.35, and 0.47-inch, 12mm, tape sizes. Compact and easy to use, the Phomemo D30 is ideal for organizing products, office supplies, or household items with stylish and durable labels. Stay organized with this efficient and versatile label PR. Introducing the Oura Ring Gen 3 Horizon in silver, size 6, the ultimate smart ring for tracking your health and fitness. This sleek and stylish wearable monitors sleep, heart rate, and activity levels, offering deep insights into your well-being. With a battery life of 5 to 7 days, it keeps you connected without constant recharging. Start with the Oura Sizing Kit to ensure the perfect fit. Stay on top of your health with this cutting-edge, discreet fitness tracker.